Hi, want to know how to set up Gemini AI on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to find our Gemini application in the app drawer and open it. Now, as a next step here, you can see that we can chat with Gemini and AI assistant from Google. So here you can read some description and also its functions. Here we need to click more a few times and click continue. Now, as a next step here, you can see a review key info about Gemini. Now we click more, and then use Gemini. And this is it. After this, you'll be able to chat with the Gemini AI, ask the questions that you are interested in, and it got even more features that you can even think of. And also, there is a quick action for the Gemini. You would need to just hold the power button, which is located on the right edge of your phone, and we would need to hold this power button to call out Gemini. Take a look on it. I'm holding the button and the Gemini has appeared on my screen. Let's try it once more. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.